which means that the ultimate value of this interception is likely far more than the billion rand value assigned to this particular substance. Approximately 713,000 grams of methaqualone was intercepted, and the Commissioner will provide more detail on the interception itself. And this was hidden inside a truck attempting to enter South Africa through the Beitbridge port of entry. Working through intelligence from the BMA's National Targeting Center, the truck was identified and taken into the sophisticated SARS scanner that is on the site at Beitbridge, where it was confirmed that the truck had a hidden compartment. BMA officials then painstakingly worked for no less than 8 hours to dismantle the truck in order to access that compartment, where drugs valued at 998.2 million rand were discovered. What is important to emphasize is that the BMA was not flying blind. It was not a matter of guessing where to look. The work that was done ahead of time meant that the BMA understood this truck had to be looked at, and it then had the technological tools available in cooperation with the South African Revenue Service to do so. 3 suspects have been arrested and handed over to the Hawks with investigations ongoing. I understand, Commissioner, that they are appearing in court this morning. Today,